Hello. So I was riding the bike. Was everything okay? Everything perfect? And then the motor started making some noise, some very weird noise and loud noise. Let me show you. So if I lift the bike a little bit, okay. So let me just lift the tire, okay, and then I'm going to press I'm going to turn the throttle, okay. Perfect. No noise at all. Spot on, okay? Now I'm going to put the bike on the floor. I'm not even on the bike, so the bike is just there. I cannot go too much further because it's a small garage. But just listen to the noise.